What are you doing, sweetheart? What are you doing?
Splashing.
What are you doing? Did you get your hair wet?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Put her head down in there.
Yeah. It's all wet.
Do the other side.
Other ear. Can you do your other ear on the other side? There you go. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, you got me. You got me. Oh, you got me.
Get Grandma.
Oh. Can you get Grandma? Grandpa.
Get June.
Can you splash June?
Splash June.
House.
House.
Splash the house. Yeah. It's the pool.